So I don't know if you guys have watched the other videos that I made of this little arrow garden plant that was all twisted and I didn't know what it was. Well, can you tell from the leaves? It's broccoli and it has become so beautiful. If you cut the crown off and you leave the plant in, it'll continue to grow little broccolis all in between the leaves, like right here. So I'm going to cut off the crowns this morning and have them for lunch, and then let it just keep growing. If you cut off the crowns, then it'll continue to go up, but if you don't cut off the crowns, it'll just bolt, and start having blossoms. But you can still eat the leaves, but you don't get the fruit, the crowns. So that came off the broccoli this morning, and I'll have that for lunch, me and Kenny. And then later on, I'm going to make a pot of greens, maybe for another day. Some of these are looking kind of rough. Bugs. I'll leave them eat what they want, and I'll clean them up and eat the rest. And just a quick update on that cauliflower. It's busy. These are both the cauliflowers that were left over from the garden earlier this year. I'm getting ready to cut the big piece of this collard off. I'll cook what's on there. And the rest of the side shoots are coming up real nice. There'll be a nice tree soon. I'm going to do the same thing for this one. Cut off the big stalk and leave a little bit in the ground, let it keep growing. It's got lots of offshoots. So if I take off the very top and leave the place where the offshoots are, then it should be okay. Okay, so I got that one down. Now I'm going to try to work on this one. I'm in full sun now, but I am covered all over. So that's the first half. But I got to get out of the sun pretty quick. Try to finish this one. Okay, so I cut the whole thing down. The whole tree that was here. I cut it off. I could have left this piece in the ground, but I thought, well, this is close to the ground and it's got a really big stalk, and I don't want to lose any of the nutrients, the stalk being so big. So I cut it down close to the ground, and I'll let this piece grow up. Okay, thank you for watching this morning. Things are looking up in the garden. I was all excited about all the watermelons, and now I'm down to 4, and they're looking kind of weak. So I bed them, I trimmed them, and I'll just have to wait and see what I get. All right. Thank you, and have a great day. Oh, please like and subscribe. Thank you.